Hey guys, it's Cookie Jake here, and today we're the Canadian Gamer. Today we're shooting the SR01. It's probably my favorite gun. It's my first SMG that I've had, and I'm going to be shooting today. Harrison is going to be filming. 10 likes or 50 views will be good. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to be shooting. It's 30 rounds. I'm only doing 15, but the video is only going to be 5, so one more. And that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like or comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I don't really care. Just want to do YouTube to make people happy. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.